Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today's topic IUPSC system. Let's start then. What is IUPSC system? It is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. We studied about nomenclatures. It is second topic. First topic we about the common names and we already study about that. I will put their link in the description box. Now we will talk about IUPAC system. In IUPAC system, all common names are not discarded. Discarded means we didn't change all the names and some are retained. Some are still are in use and it is also those names are also in comes in the IUPAC system. Now today we will learn about rules of alkane. First rule is the longest continuous carbon chain is select. Longest continuous carbon chain. We have to select longest continuous carbon chain here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any we can select like this or we can select like this as it contain only 4 carbons in any continuous chain. We can't select like this 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. This is not a chain. We will select like this or we will select like this. Here the longest carbon chain contains the 4 carbon and hence it is butane. Now about second rule. Second rule is number the longest chain of the carbon atom. Number the longest chain of the carbon atom. The number will be start from the end, that end which will give the number having the lowest value of carbon carrying substituent. We have to give number where we have a substituent means if this is the carbon and this is the substituent, so we will give the numbering like that this substituent will get the lowest number, this carbon will get lowest number, the substituent attached to the carbon will get lowest number, first, second, third, fourth, like this. Means it is substituent comes at second carbon. Now like check 1, 2, 3, 4. Here substituent is coming on the third carbon. So this is wrong. This is correct. We will give the numbering where the substitute carbon containing substituent will get lowest numbering. Okay. I hope you understand that. You need to understand that very correctly because this is the main topic. Locate and name the each substituent and the position of each substituent is indicated by the number of the carbon atom to which it is attached. Like I already told you how to numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 as it is contain substituent and the carbon containing substituent will get lower number. Here numbering is at the second position, so we will write second. Okay, and what is the substituent? It is a methyl group, 2 methyl, like this. And we already know about butane, huh? We will learn in second rule, that is fourth rule. Combine the longest chain and substituent into the name and written as one word. Okay, look, we already learn how to number, so it is second and at the second position we at second carbon we have a methyl group, so what we write 2 methyl butane. Okay, it is 4 carbon, so butane. But here one most important thing, we have to write first word in the capital letter, don't forget, and we don't need gap in between them. It is like a continuous, we don't need any gap. Okay, we are writing like this. If we write it methyl, okay, it is first and it is butane. This is wrong. If we write 2 methyl butane in very long way, very gap, Like this is okay, but if you write like methyl and butane, okay, like this is also wrong. You have to write near, like this, okay. I hope you understand this. This is very easy topic, I think. Next, it is normal if we have more substituent, then this point will come. If two or more same substituent are present, what we write? Same substituent are present at different or same position. Two or more substituent and present, substituents are present which is same and at the different or same position, then what we will write? Use a prefix. Prefix means before the word, like pentane or before any word, prefix we will use. This is the word, this is the prefix, okay. Like di, tri, tetra, penta, etc. Like you already know how to number 1 2 3 4 5, or we can write here. In this case we can also give 1 2 3 4 5, because it is exactly the same. Year 2 or year 2 is nothing is different. So what we will write? 2 4, 2 4 or 2 4 die. Two substituents, two methyl group, dimethyl. What I made mistake, I have to write M like this, okay. Methyl pentane, this is the correct one. If I did any mistake, please tell me in the comment box. 1 2 3 4 5, huh? And we will not write like 1 2 3 4, the fourth, no, it is second. We have to give substituent near, okay. So this is 2 2. At second position, two methyl groups is the same. So 2, you have to give comma over here. 2 2 dimethyl pentane. Now, if we have a substituent which is different, I will show here. If we have a substituent which is different, what we will do? Like, look. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We can give in any direction. In this case also. So 5 methyl, 5 methyl, sorry, 5 ethyl, 3 methyl, y ethyl. It, if we have a different substituent, always give like verb B C D E F, okay. Look, it is ethyl group. E will come before and M will come after E. In ABCD, no? In alphabets, E will come earlier and then E. So alphabetical order is important when the two groups are different. 5 ethyl, 3 methyl, 5 ethyl, 3 methyl, septane, 7 carbon septane, okay. In this case 1 2 3 4 5, that is 3, okay. This is a carbon chain. We don't need that this carbon chain must be a straight. It can be anywhere where the carbon number is greatest. Any chain which have a greater carbon number, we will consider as a parent chain. This is the parent chain. We can consider this is also a parent chain. We will consider this is also parent chain. But what is important? Parent chain must be more carbon, contain more carbon, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 carbon. Here 7 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 carbon. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 carbon. No, then this is not a parent chain, okay. So number, this is the important facts you must know. Like now we can consider this is as a parent chain. Of course we can consider. Here we can write 1 2 3, or here also we can start numbering like this 1 2 3. We started numbering from here 1 2 3. So 3 bromo pentane. This is not a comma. This is wrong. I made this wrong. 3 Bromo pentane. This is the correct. Okay. So you make it question why we write bromo. So after losing hydrogen, it is a fluorine. But if we don't have bond with this, it is a fluoro. It is a chloro. It is a bromo. It is iodo. It is nitro. It is amino. It is hydroxy. Okay. You have to learn this, or you have to like need to know this is not the any concept, this is the words basically. We have to always like we need to know about this. No, there is no logic behind this also. It is a fluorine, but when we have bond of fluoro with any other carbon, it is a fluoro. It is a chloro. It is bromo. The iodine, nitro, amino, hydroxy. I don't. You have to remember this. You don't always need to remember. There is no logic in that. So I hope you understand this lecture, and I am trying my best to teach you. I hope you are liking that. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Please do subscribe and like to the channel. Thank you so much.